welcome to the session of global warming in 5 minutes. So today we will talk to you about global warming, and at the end of this session you should be able to understand what global warming is, and you should be able to recognize the change of global mean surface temperature over the years, and you should be able to explain the factors which are causing global warming, and you should be able to describe the actions which can reduce global warming both domestically and as a community. First, let's have a small video demonstration on what global warming is.
This is the world. That's you and that's me. The world has the perfect temperature to keep all living things alive and happy. This temperature depends on a balance. The sun's heat goes to Earth to make it warm. The sun's heat bounces back to space to make the Earth cool. When this balance is lost, the climate changes. The Earth's climate has changed many times before. This is called natural climate change. It's caused by volcanic eruptions, changes in the sun's energy, and changes in the Earth's orbit. Greenhouse gases also make the Earth warmer. They trap heat from the sun. Greenhouse gases are like a blanket covering the Earth. It started in the 1700s. Humans started to build more things. We burned coal to make electricity. We burn oil to make our cars and planes move. We use chemicals to make things. We cut down lots of trees. We burn gas to cook food. We dump lots of trash on landfills. We plant a lot more rice. All these things release greenhouse gases. Remember the blanket over the Earth? Because of humans, it got much, much thicker. When I get hot, I sweat. I even get dizzy. Imagine the Earth. Because it's hotter, glaciers and ice sheets are melting. Seas are rising, storms are getting stronger, some places are getting dry, even the sea is getting warmer. All living things are in big trouble. So what should we do? We need to change the way we live so we can stop releasing so much greenhouse gases. That way, the Earth's blanket will go back to normal.
Now let's see what is global warming. Global warming is when the earth heats up and the temperature increases. More recently, the temperatures have been rising, causing more dangerous not only for the people but also for other animals, plants and our entire environment.
Global mean surface temperature change from 1880. Now in this diagram, you can see how the global temperature has been increased during the past 100 years. Right? So starting from 1880. So in this black line, you can see how the global mean surface temperature has been changed within this time period. And you can see that there is a trend of increasing of global temperature.
Right, so let's have a look at what are the causes of global warming. Now we can break it down to two major types. One is natural and the other is anthropogenic. Anthropogenic, here we are talking about both animal and human being. Natural causes are things like greenhouse effect and natural calamities, and also the earth axis is very slowly tilting, that is also causing global warming. And anthropogenic wise, respiration of animals and human beings are causing this, and rapid industrialization, we know the world is industrializing very rapidly, and vehicles, increased vehicle usage throughout the world is causing global warming.
As a human, what we can do for make a big difference? Always off the switch off, changing the light bulbs, planting trees, using the less of hot water, and support for process of recycle. Finally, as a community, what do you think we can do?
I think I can answer one. I think as a community, we can force the government as well as the organizations and corporations to be more green, think about the earth, and make everything eco-friendly.
So as well as a community or as a group, we can do some awareness programs. We can organize some campaigns.
We hope you learned about global warming today, and thank you very much for participating in this session.